Good afternoon, students. Paper number 86. Now, question numbers 31 to 35. These 5 questions are based on set of numbers. How many numbers are there? There are in total 5 numbers: 695, 291, 578, 423, and 846. Are the 5 numbers. Now, question number 31. The difference of the first and the second digits in how many of the given numbers is greater than the third digit. Now, here the difference between these two is 3. This is not greater than 5, the third digit, and this number cannot be your answer. Now, the difference between 2 and 9 is 7. 7 is greater than the third digit, hence 291 is one such number. Now, between 5 and 7, the difference is 2, but as here the number is 8, it is not greater than this one. And between 4 and 2, the difference is 2, and this 2 is not greater than 3. And 8 and 4, the difference is 4. This 4 is not greater than 6. Hence, in how many such numbers we have? In only one number, the difference between the first two is greater than the second one. That is choice 1. Then question number 32. The product of the second and the third digit in which of the following numbers is the highest? Product of the second and the third. Here the product of 9 and 5 is how much? 9 and 5 is 45, and 9 and 1 is 9. Next one, 7 and 8 is 56, and 2 and 3 is 6. Now 4 and 6 is how much? 4 and 6 is 24. Now among these numbers, which number is the highest here? 56 is the highest, and that 56 you are getting from 578. That is choice 1 again. Question number 32, choice 1. Then 33, the first and the third digits of all the given numbers are interchanged. That means the number is reversed. Then which of the following will become the second highest number after that operation? Second highest number if the first and the second digits are interchanged. Now, sir, what will be this number here? 596. Here this 291 will be 192. 578 will be 875. Now, this 423 will be 324 because the first and the third digits are interchanged. 846 will be 648. Then in this one, which of the following will become the second highest number? Yes, tell me which of the following is the second highest number here. First highest number is 875 and the second highest number is 648. Now, this 648 we are getting from 846, that is choice 3. Or else if you observe here, the third digit is coming to the first place. Among the third digits, tell me which is the second highest. Now 5, 1, 7, 3 and 6. Out of which this is the highest and the second highest is 6. Now this 6 we are getting from 846. Because the third digit is coming to the first place, then it will be the second highest. Then question number 34. If 4 is added to the third digit of all the odd numbers. All the odd numbers, how much is added here? 4 is added. Now this 695 will be 699. And 291 will be 295 and 423 will be 427. Now 4 is added to the third digit of all the odd numbers and 3 is subtracted from the third digit of all even numbers. 3 is subtracted from where? 3 is subtracted from even numbers. 578 minus 3 will be 575. Here 846 minus 3 will be 843. Then in how many numbers thus formed will a digit appear twice? Now tell me in how many digits, how many numbers the digit appear twice? 9 is 1, next one 5 and 5 and that is it. Hence, in how many such numbers? In 2 of the numbers the digit appear twice, that is choice 5. Then question number 35. If all the digits of the given numbers are arranged in the descending order within the number. Now the digits are arranged in the descending order. 695 will be 965 and 291 will be 921 and this will be 875. 423 will be 432, 846 will be 864. Now the digits are arranged in the descending order. What will be sum of the second and the third digits of the second lowest number? Second lowest number. Now this is the highest number and second highest, and this is the third highest, fourth highest, and this is the least number. 432 is the least number and the second lowest number is what? Second lowest number is 832. Now 864. Now in this one, sum of the second and the third digits. What is the sum here? 6 plus 4. Now this 6 plus 4 is how much? 10 and it is given in choice 1. Now this is about question numbers 31 to 35. Then question number 36. Now in this 36 it is pair of letters. What is the word given here? Wants is the word. Now in this word wants, W-A-N-T-S wants. Now tell me what is the question here? How many such pairs of letters are there in the word wants, each of which has as many letters between them in the word as they have between in the English alphabet. Now starting with W, there is no letter more than this W to the right hand side. Next one A, B, C, D, N, O, P, that's it. Left hand side to right hand side we could not able to find out even a single pair. Next one S and T. Now if you observe here between S and T, there is no letter in this word, and in the alphabetical sequence also there is no letter between S and T, hence S and T forms a pair. Next one S, T, U, V, W. Now if you observe here between S and W, tell me how many letters are there? 3 letters in this word. In the alphabetical order also T, U, V are the 3 letters, and this S and W forms a pair. Next one T, U, V and W. T, U, V and W. Again between T and W will have only 2 letters. In the alphabetical order also will have only 2 letters. Hence T, U, V, W, N, O, P, that's it. Hence how many pairs are there? There are exactly 3 pairs. That is given in choice 4. Clear now question number 36. 3 pairs. ST, TW and S and W are the 3 pairs which have as many letters between them as in the English alphabet. And this is about question number 36. Then after this question number 36, then 37. Now 37 to 41, it is based on a series. Now in the sequence of letters, numbers and symbols were given, then how many such numbers are there in the given arrangement? Now the question is about a number. I am representing a number with n, are there in the given arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a symbol. Preceding means coming before this one, and as well as immediately followed by an alphabet. Alphabet means letter, and symbol, number and letter should be the sequence. Symbol, number and letter. Tell me how many such terms are there? Symbol, letter and symbol, number and letter. Now this is a symbol and it is not immediately followed by a number, this symbol cannot be taken. Next one, this is a symbol and again it is not followed by a number, this cannot be taken. Next one, this is a symbol not followed by a number, this is also ruled out. Next one, hash is a symbol and 5 is a number and Z is a letter, isn't it? And symbol, number and letter. Next one, symbol, number and letter, this is ruled out. And so how many will be there? There is only one such a number immediately preceded by a symbol and followed by a letter. Hence 1, and it is given with choice, that is choice 4. Question number 37, choice 4. Then 38, which one of the following will come in the given sequence? F8R, next one star NNT, and HW percentage, KX4. Then what should be the next one? Check out the first letters here, F and star. Between F and star 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. And between star and H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6. And H and K 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 7. Plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. And the next one must be plus 8. K plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes, what is the element here? M is the first element. If you check out the first letters, the difference between the first letters in the given sequence is 5, 6, 7, 8 letters are added. The next one, second letters 8 and N. Between 8 and N, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. N and W, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6. Next one, W and X, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 7. Next one, 5, 6, 7. Next one must be plus 8. X plus 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then what is the element here? J is the element. M and J. Then MJ, among the given choices, MJ is given only in choice 5. First letters 5, 6, 7, 8 is the difference, and second elements 5, 6, 7, 8 is the difference. Question number 38. Then 39. Yes, question number 39. How many alphabets are there? Now the question is about a letter. In the English alphabetical series between the third element from the left. Yes, tell me what is the third element from the left here? Third element from the left hand side is R, and the fifth element from the left hand. The fifth element 1, 4 and 5. Now between R and V, how many letters do we have in the alphabetical sequence? Tell me how many letters do we have? S, T, U are the three letters we have between R and V. That is 39, choice 1. S, T and U are the three letters between R and V. Then question number 40. If all the symbols are deleted from the given arrangement, then which of the following will be 12th from the right hand? 12th from the right hand without the symbols. 12th from the right hand without the symbols 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12th from the right hand side, that is Q, choice 3. Question number 40, choice 3 without the symbols. Now we need to find out the 12th element from the right hand side. Then question number 41, 4 of the following 5 are alike, that is odd man out, hash, X and Z. Now in this one tell me what is the difference here? Hash and X. Now between hash and X 1, 2, minus 2. Next one X and Z 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4, minus 2 plus 4. Next one J, M, G. Now between J and M and G, J and M minus 2, M and G again 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4, minus 2 plus 4. Then coming to the third term 3DS, now 3 and T. Now 3 and T 1, 2, minus 2 and T and S 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4, minus 2 plus 4. And next one V8 star. Now in this V8 star, V and 8. V and 8, how many elements are there? There is only one letter, minus 1. V and 8 minus 1. 8 and star, 1, 2, 3 plus 3, minus 1 plus 3. Then what is the odd one here? Choice 4, except choice 4. And in the remaining terms, minus 2 plus 4, minus 2 plus 4, minus 2 plus 4. Done with this? Question number 41, choice 4. Then 42 onwards. Now question number 42 onwards. Now it is based on what? LM, NO, PQ, RS are seated around a circular table and facing the center but not necessarily in the same order. Information clearly specified, all these 8 persons are facing towards the center only. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Then only 3 people sit between P and S. As only 3 people sit between P and S, now we are fixing this P at this place. If P is here, S will be here. Only 3 people among these 8 persons is nothing but they are opposite to each other. Only 1 person between P and M. As only 1 person between P and M, M can be here, that is one possibility. Then what is the second possibility here? M can be either left hand side of P or the right hand side of P. Now P is here, S is here, 1 person between P and M. Next one, only 1 person between P and M. N sits third to the right of M. N is seated third to the right of M, N will be here. N sits third to the right of M, N will be here. And Q sits second to the left of N. Q is seated second to the left of N. Here Q is seated second to the left of N. Only 3 people between Q and L. Only 3 people between Q and L means they are opposite to each other. Here also Q and L are opposite to each other. O is neither an immediate neighbor of L nor S. Now if O is here or here, in these 2 cases O must be either adjacent to L or adjacent to S. But as information clearly specified, this O cannot be adjacent to L, cannot be adjacent to S. And the first case is completely ruled out. O is neither an immediate neighbor of L nor S. O cannot be here. As O cannot be here, O will be here. If O is here, L, M, N, O, P, Q, S, R must be at this place. Clear now? This is how these 8 persons are seated around this circular table facing the center. Question number 42. Who among the following sits second to the right of L? Sits second to the right of L is O, choice 2. Then question number 43. What is the position of N with respect to O? N with respect to O, N and O are opposite to each other. Opposite to each other means either 4th to the left or 4th to the right, and it is choice 5, 4th to the right. Then question number 44. If all the persons are made to sit in alphabetical order in clockwise direction starting from L. starting from L clockwise direction. Now L is here, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Tell me how many positions remain in the same place here? Then the positions of how many excluding L would remain unchanged. Yes, tell me what is the answer here? The positions of how many persons would remain unchanged. Yes, is there any person remain at the same place? M, N. N is that person. O, P, Q, R and S. There is only one person whose position remain unchanged, that is choice 1. Question number 44, choice 1. Then 45. Now in this question number 45, which of the following statements is true regarding R as per the given arrangement? Q sits third to the right of R. Q is seated third to the right of R is false because Q is third to the left of R. R sits second to the right of S. R is seated second to the right of S is definitely true. Then what is your answer here? Only 2 follows, that is choice 2. 45, choice 2. Then question number 46. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way, that is odd man out. Then P, Q and L. Now between P, Q and L, tell me what is the relation here? P's immediate left hand side is P and P's immediate left hand side is Q and opposite to L. P's immediate left is L. L and Q are opposite to each other. Third person is to the immediate left of the first person and the second and the third persons are opposite to each other. Next one. And M and O. Now sir, M's immediate left hand side is O and O's opposite is N. Second and the third are opposite to each other. Again, R's immediate left is N. R's immediate left is N. N's opposite is O and this also follows the same pattern. L. Now L is the first person, R is the second person, third person. L's immediate left is R. R's opposite is M. This is also valid. Then coming to the fifth one, Q and M. Now Q's immediate left is what? Q's immediate left hand side is M. M's opposite must be R should be the term, but as here it is given as L, hence that is the odd one. Except choice 5. And in the remaining terms, the third person is to the immediate left of the first person and the second and the third persons are opposite to each other. Done with this? Choice 5 is the answer. Then question number 47 onwards. 47 to 51. Now 7 people J, K, L, M, N, O and P read 7 different novels on 7 different days of the same week starting from Monday and ending on Sunday. Starting from Monday and ending on Sunday. Now Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now in total how many persons do we have? 7 persons. Now these 7 persons J, K, L, M, N, O and P are reading 7 different novels on 7 different days starting from Monday and ending on Sunday. Then, as what is the first information here? Now the first information is regarding L. L reads a novel on Thursday, hence L on Thursday, that is fixed here. Only one person between L and N. As only one person between L and N, N can be either on Tuesday or N can be on Saturday. There are 2 possibilities to this L and N. Only one person between L and N. Next one. Only 4 people between N and J. Between N and J, how many persons? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 persons between N and J. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 persons between N and J. As many persons read between N and M as between J and L. Now between J and L, tell me how many persons are there? 2 persons. Hence between N and M also we should have only 2 persons. N and M 2 persons, hence M must be on Friday in case 1. Are you following this one or not? And again, as many persons between N and M. Here N and M is same as J and L. Now between J and L how many persons are there? 2 persons. Hence between N and M there must be 2 persons. M must be on Wednesday. Then P reads a novel on one of the days before M. P is on one of the days before M. Now in case 2 P must be on Tuesday. In case 1 P can be either on Wednesday or Monday. There are 2 possibilities to this P. And but not on Wednesday. As but not on Wednesday and this P cannot be on Wednesday, P must be on Monday only. Clear now? Then only 2 people read a novel between K and O. Between K and O there must be exactly 2 persons. If K is here, then O will be here, or if O is here or K is here, O will be here. But whereas between K and O, how many persons? There is only one person. But whereas according to the given condition between K and O, there must be exactly two persons. If K is here, O will be here, or if K is here, O will be here. And O reads a novel after K. As O reads a novel after K, that means O cannot be at this place, then K cannot be at this place. Then what is the final arrangement here? Pn, KL, MOJ is the order in which these 7 persons are reading these novels. Then question number 47, who among the following reads a novel on Monday? Yes, tell me who is that person reading on Monday? P is that person reading on Monday, that is choice 2. Then question number 48, which of the following is true regarding each of the following is true as per the given arrangement? No one reads a novel after M, that is false because there are 2 persons after M. N reads a novel on Saturday, that is also false because N is on Tuesday. More than 3 people read a novel between P and O. Between P and O, how many persons are there? More than 3 people here. How many persons? 1, 2, 3, 4, S. There are more than 3 persons reading between P and O, that is choice 3, because there are 4 persons in between P and O. Then question number 49, on which of the following days does K read a novel? Yes, K reads a novel on which day? Wednesday, that is choice 2. Question number 49, choice 2. Then question number 50, which of the following pairs represent the persons who read a novel immediately before and immediately after O? Immediately before O and immediately after O. Yes, tell me who are the persons? Immediately before O is M, immediately after O is J. Hence, M and J are the persons, that is choice 2. Question number 50, choice 2. Then 51, 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and thus form a group as per the given arrangement. Which of the following does not belong to that group? Now P and K. Yes, what is the relation between P and K here? Between P and K, there is only one person, and J and M, there is exactly one person, and K and M, there is exactly one person. L and J, there are 2 persons, and L and N, there is only one person, except in choice 4. And in the remaining person, in the remaining pairs, there is only one person between, hence choice 4 is the odd one. 51. Then question numbers 52 to 54. Now question numbers 52 to 54. These 3 questions are based on directions. Akash, who is standing at point J, walks 12 meters west. Now J is here. Akash, who is standing at point J. Now this is point J. From here, Akash, who is standing at point J, walks 12 meters west to reach point K. Now this is point K. Now this point K is how many meters away from J? 12 meters. Then he then takes a right turn and walks for 6 meters. Right hand side means towards north and travel for 6 meters. And after walking for 6 meters, he takes a right turn again and walks 4 meters. Now from here, he walks for only 4 meters and reaches point L. Now this is point L. Now point C is 18 meters to the south of point L. C is 18 meters to the south of point L from L. Now C must be how many meters? 18 meters. Now the total distance must be 18 meters and C is 18 meters to the south of L. D is 4 meters to the west of C. As D is 4 meters to the west of C, now D must be here only. D is how many meters? 4 meters to the west of C. C is here and this is D. Now the distance between these two is only 4 meters. If you observe here, this 4 is towards east, this 4 is towards west, and this K and D must be on a vertical straight line. Done with this? Then coming to question number 52. Now in this 52, how far and in which direction is point K with respect to point D? Now sir, what is the distance between K and D? Tell me here. Now the total distance between L and C is 18, out of which here the distance between these two is 6. In this 18, now 6 is already subtracted. 18 minus 6 is how much? Now we are left with 12 meters and 12 meters towards north. Now this K is 12 meters to the north of D. Then question number 53. In which direction is point C with respect to point J? C with respect to J. Tell me what is the direction here? From J, if you take, this is south and this is west and southwest, choice 5. Question number 53, choice 5. C is towards southwest with respect to point J. Then question number 54. Yes, question number 54. Now it is based on coding and decoding. In a certain code language, the word bond, whenever coding and decoding is given, always write one below the other, is written as AQPC, AQPC. Now the difference between B and A is -1, O and Q +2, N and P +2, and D and C -1. -1 +2 +2 -1. And similarly here. And what is the code to this word here? Here. And here is -1 +2 +2 -1. H -1 is G, E + 2 is Z, A + 2 is C, R -1 is Q. And that is GGCQ. Next one, what is the code to the word king? Yes, tell me what is the code here? -1 +2 +2 -1. K -1 is J, I + 2 is K, N + 2 is P, G -1 is F. Then what is your answer? JKPF. JKPF, that is given in choice 1. Question number 54, choice 1. Then 55 to 58, 55 to 57. Now it is based on blood relations. Y is the mother of U can be written like this. Y is the mother of U, and U is the only child of T. As U is the only child of T, U is the child of Y as well, T, which implies that Y and T are married couple, and U is the only child of T. T is the brother of J. This T is the brother of J. J is the daughter of M. This J is the daughter of M. M has only 2 children, and out of which one is T and another one is J. M has only 2 children. How is M related to Y? Yes, how is M related to Y here? Y's husband is T, husband's parent. If M is a male, father-in-law, or if M is a female, mother-in-law. As the gender of this M is not known, and that person M could be either the father-in-law or mother-in-law, cannot be determined. Choice 1. Then question number 56. How is J related to U? Now J related to U, U's father is T, father's sister, that is parent's sister is aunt, aunt that is given in choice 2, 56. Then question number 57. If B is the granddaughter of M, if B is the granddaughter of M, then how is B related to J? As B is the granddaughter of M, tell me what is your answer here. If B is the granddaughter of M, then how is this B related to J? Yes, any answer to this one, question number 57? No. As B is here, B is the granddaughter of M. M is having only 2 children, one is J and another one is T, out of which T is married, and T's child is B, daughter. Then how is this B related to J? J's brother is T, brother's daughter, that means sibling's daughter. Sibling's daughter is niece, choice 1. Question number 57, choice 1. Then 58. Now question number 58 is based on coding and decoding. A rise in prices is coded as 754. And alarming price rise. Then what is the code to the word alarming? Now if you compare the first and the second, what are the words which are common here? Rise and price. Rise and price are the 2 words common. Here also rise and price are the 2 words common. 754. 7 and 4 are the codes common. Here also 7 and 4 are the codes common. Then what is the word left over here? Alarming. What is the code left over here? 3. And the code to the word alarming is 3. Done with this? Question number 58, choice 3. Choice 1, that is code is 3. Then 59 to 63. Now these question numbers 59 to 63 are based on coded inequalities. The relation between C and A, forget about this equal to. The relation between C and A is C lesser than or equals to A, definitely true. C lesser than or equals to A, definitely true. Now between Z and T, now equal to greater than or equal to. Which symbol is there? Only greater than. Hence Z greater than T, definitely true. Both the conclusions follow, both 1 and 2, that is choice 4. 59, choice 4. Then question number 60, the relation between N and S. S is here, N is here. What is the letter which is common? O is common. S lesser than or equals to O. N lesser than or equals to O means O is greater than or equals to N. Isn't it? S lesser than or equals to O and O greater than or equals to N. Now between S and N, lesser than and greater than two opposite symbols, hence we cannot able to derive any conclusion. Then coming to the next one, S and T. Now between S and T, lesser than or equals to equal to lesser than, S lesser than T is definitely true, T greater than S is definitely true. Hence what is your answer here? Only conclusion 2 is true, choice 3. Question number 61, W and E. Now between W and E is here, W is here. What is the letter which is common? A is common. Hence A lesser than or equals to E, A lesser than or equals to E, and A lesser than or equals to W. As A lesser than or equals to W, then A lesser than or equals to W means W is greater than or equals to A. W greater than or equals to A lesser than or equals to E. Now between these two opposite symbols, hence no relation can be drawn between these two. Then next one, S and K. S is here and K is here. Between these two only greater than is common. S greater than K definitely true, choice 1. Question number 61, choice 1. Then 62, V and T. Now T is here and V is here. Between T and V lesser than or equals to, forget about this equals to, T lesser than or equals to V is definitely true. If T lesser than or equals to V is true, V greater than or equals to T is definitely true. Conclusion 1. Then coming to the next one, between S and W, S lesser than, one greater than, two opposite symbols between these two S and W, hence there is no relation between these two, hence only conclusion 1 follows, only conclusion 1, that is choice 4. Hence question number 62, choice 4. Then 63, L and H. Now between L and H there is one greater than, one lesser than, two opposite symbols. Two opposite symbols, no relation. And the next one between L and H. Now between L and H, one greater than, one lesser than, no relation. Hence neither 1 nor 2, that is choice 1. 63, neither 1 nor 2, choice 1. Then 64 and 65. Now in the 64 and 65, tell me what is the information here. Question number 64. Among 5 friends, F, G, H, I and J, each spent a different amount in buying a mobile phone. Only one person spent more than J. How many persons we have? There are 5 persons. Now among these 5 persons, there is only one person who spent more than whom? More than J. As there is only one person more than J, hence J must be at the second place. Only one person spent more than J. F spent more than I. F spent more than I, but lesser than what? But lesser than H. I did not spend the minimum amount. I cannot be at this place. As I cannot be at this place, I must be at this place. Here it must be F, here it is H. Then who is the person left over? F, G, H, I, J, G is left over. Then question number 64, who among the following spent the second lowest amount? Second lowest amount, who is that person? I, choice 4. Then 65, question number 64, choice 4. And 65, if 2 is added, 2 is added to each even digit. As what is the number here? 794362. Now in this one, 2 is added to each even digit. How many even digits are there? There are 3 even digits. 2 is added, this is 6 and 8 and 4. 2 is added to each even digit, and 2 is subtracted from each odd digit. 2 is subtracted from each odd digit means this 7 minus 2 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, 3 minus 2 is 1. Then in the new number thus formed, all the digits are arranged in the ascending order. Ascending order, what are the numbers here? 1, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then which of the following will be third from the right? Yes, which is the third from the right? 6 is the third from the right, that is choice 2. And 65, choice 2 is the answer. Now this is about paper number 86, question numbers 31 to 35. Yes, any doubts in these 35 questions, 31 to 35? Then number series, question numbers 91 to 95. Now in this question numbers 91 to 95, 8, 11, 16, 25, 42. Now all these numbers are increasing at a smaller rate, hence here it must be the difference 8, 11, 16, 25 and 42. Now tell me 8 and 11, what is the difference? Plus 3. 11 and 16 plus 5. 16 and 25 plus 9, isn't it? 16 and this one plus 9. And 25 and 42, what is the difference here? Tell me. 25 and 42. 25 plus 17 is 42. Then what is the relation between these elements? 3, 5, 9. Now 3, 5 and 9, 3 plus 4 is, 3 plus 2 is 5. Next one 5 plus 4 and 9 plus 8. 2, 4, 8 and the next one must be 16. 17 plus 16, 33 should be added to 42 and it will be 75. 75 choice 3. Difference of difference are 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. Next one, question number 92. Now in this 92, 16, 8, 12, 10. 16, 8, 12, 10, 11, then what should be the next one? 16 and 8. Yes, tell me how to represent this one 16 and 8. Now the difference between these two is minus 8. Here the difference is how much? Here the difference is plus 4 and 12 and 10 the difference is minus 2. Here it is plus 1. What are these numbers? 8 divided by 2 is 4 and 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 divided by 2 is how much? 1 divided by 2 is half. Now this half minus 8 plus 4 minus 2 plus 1 finally minus 0.5. How much? 10.5 is the next number. 10.5, that is choice 3. The difference between the numbers are 8, 4, 2 and 1. This 8, 4, 2, 1 can be written as 8 divided by 4 is 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. Then question number 93. Now in this 93, 10, 6, 7 and so on. As 10 and 6, so how can I express this one? 10 into 0.5 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 and 7 can be written as 6 into 1 plus 1 is 7 into 1 plus 1. Next one 7 into 1.5. 7 into 1.5 is how much? 10.5. 10.5 plus 1 is 11.5. The next one 11.5 into 2 plus 1. 11.5 into 2 is how much? 23 plus 1, 24 and 24 into 2.5 plus 1. As 24 into 2.5 is how much? 24 into 2, 48 plus 12, 60 plus 1, 61. 61, that is given in choice 1. 93, choice 1. Then 94, 312, 310, 301. Now here if you find the difference between the numbers 312 and 310. Now the difference between these two is how much? Just it is 2. Yes, find the difference here. Now between these two numbers 12 and 10 the difference is 2 and the next difference is how much? Here the difference is 310 and 9. Here it is minus 9 and 301 and 273. Here it must be the difference is 28. Next 278 and 208. What is the difference here? 65 is the number. Yes, what are the differences here? 2, 9, 28, 65 can be written as. Now this 2 can be written as 1 cube is 1 plus 1 is 2. 9 can be written as 2 cube is 8 plus 1 is 9. This 28 can be written as 3 cube 27 plus 1 is 28. And this 65 can be written as 4 cube 64 plus 1 is 65. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is left over here? 5 cube plus 1. Yes, tell me what is 5 cube plus 1? 5 cube plus 1 is 126. Now this 126 must be subtracted from this one. 5 cube plus 1 should be subtracted. Now if you subtract 126 minus 1, yes, what is the answer here? 8 minus 6, 4 and this will be 84. 84, 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is how much? 2. 82. 82, that is given in choice 2. Done with this? Here the difference between the numbers are n cube plus 1. Then question number 95. Now in this 95, again the numbers are increasing at a very smaller rate. Here it must be under difference. Now if you find out the difference between these numbers, 39 and 50, here the difference is 11. And next one 50 and 63, the difference is 13. 11, 13, 63 and 80, the difference is 17, 80 and 80 plus how much? 19, this is 99. Then what should be the next number? 11, 13, 17, 19 are prime numbers and the next prime number to 19 is 23 and 99 plus 23 is 122, that is choice 2. Here the difference between the numbers are prime numbers. Now, this is about paper number 86.